Hello, welcome to Bold Women Lawyer Spotlight. I'm Sharon Christie, founder and CEO of Bold Women Lawyers, where I provide business strategy and coaching services to lawyers in solo and small law firms. So today I want to talk to you about first impressions. We all know how important first impressions are in business and in your personal life. We all like to think that we're not going to make judgments based on our first impressions. And if we're honest, we're all going to agree that we do it anyhow. First impressions are really important for your clients and your potential clients. And so today I want to talk about one of my pet peeves, and it is phone answering. I really, really, really want to stress to you how important it is that your phone be answered in a friendly manner. And that's something I think a lot of lawyers skip over. They just don't think about it. I understand that. But you have to remember how important that is for your client or your potential client who is calling your law firm. So, what do I mean when I say friendly? Here's what I mean. There was a time when lots of solo law firms in particular had someone answering the phone this way. The phone would ring, ring, ring. Somebody picks it up, and all you hear is law offices, just like that. It was not at all friendly. So they moved on. Many solo and small firms moved on and got rid of the law office's way of answering the phone, which was great. But what they moved to, honestly, wasn't a whole lot better. So you would call the law firm of Smith and Jones, or you'd call the law firm of Sally Acorn. And here's what you would hear if you called Sally's firm. Law office of Sally Acorn. And then there's that dreadful dead silence. And if the person on the other end of the phone is thinking, did they hang up on me? Is there anybody there? Am I supposed to talk now? What's the story? Now, if your clients or your potential clients are business people who are used to talking to lawyers and law firms, they probably are not going to be fazed by that. They'll blow right past it and they'll say, this is Steve Smith. I need to talk to Sally about my case or about the contract she's working on for me or whatever reason he's calling for. And he won't be fazed at all by how the phone is answered. He won't care. He's used to talking to lawyers. But for most people who are not business people dealing with lawyers and have a legal problem, they have no idea what to expect. Most of your clients have probably never talked to a lawyer before, have never had a legal problem, and are pretty nervous about whatever that legal problem is. They're really not happy about it. And now they don't quite know what to do when they call. They don't know what's going to happen. They're on edge. And so they call the law office of Sally Acorn, and that's what they hear. Law office of Sally Acorn. And it might be said really quickly because whoever answered the phone's pretty harassed. You can fix this problem. You want to make the phone answering very pleasant. You want to put the person on the other end of the phone at ease. And so what do? Okay, well, let's fix Sally Acorn's law office. Here's what she does. She gives a script to whoever is answering her phone. It could be somebody on her staff. It could be an answering service. It doesn't matter. You give them a script. And what does the script say? It's very straightforward. Thank you for calling the law office of Sally Acorn. And let's say I'm Sharon answering the phone. I would say, this is Sharon. How can I help you today? Now, I have immediately set the stage. I've been friendly. I've identified the law firm. I've identified myself. And I've said to the person calling, how can I help you? Which says, I want to help you. Tell me how I can help you. So that type of a script is really simple to do, and it will immediately put your clients and potential clients at ease. Now, why is that important? Because this is the start of the relationship. You want it to be good from the very beginning because you want to create raving fans who will refer their friends and family to you and everybody that they know that needs the same type of legal help that they got from you. That's what you want. And you start from day one. So if you don't have a script that's friendly, sit down right now, write out your script, give it to the person or persons who answer the phone for you. It will make a huge difference to your clients and to your potential clients. And it will make a huge difference ultimately to your bottom line because you will be creating raving fans. So I hope you found this tip helpful. And if you're not already doing so, please make sure you're following me on LinkedIn and on Facebook. It's Sharon Christie at Bold Women Lawyers. Make sure you follow me because I do helpful tips every week. See you soon.